It troubles me to see the misinformation that people are receiving sometimes on the web. Sometimes the information is wonderful, sometimes it's pretty good, and there are times when I think it's doing more damage than ever. And I want to talk about something I saw that I referred to on my professional page the other night, which was a pretty well done video of an attractive young woman saying, I make myself platinum blonde at home, and here's how I do it, and it's so easy. Well, caveat first. Number one, her natural hair is dark blonde, and I can imagine that this young woman, when she was a child, was a towhead. So she's starting out with pretty light hair, and she does say that. Number two, she's showing how she went to a beauty supply store. She's not licensed. She does not understand what she's doing. She just says that she's experimented for years. So what she did was went to a beauty supply store and bought something called powder lightener. Now, we in salons use powder lightener, and I've never used powder lightener on the scalp. I prefer powder lightener when I'm doing highlights or something. When I'm doing an application of lightener to the scalp, I prefer to use a cream or oil-based lightener. It's gentler, you have more control, and you can't make spots. This lady used a highlighting bleach with 30 volume developer, which is stronger, on her scalp. And she said she leaves it on for about an hour. So to make hair lighten, we need to expose it to oxygen. So if you don't know that, this young lady is very pretty with long platinum hair. She twisted her hair up to make a cute bun. Then she put a plastic cap on. This allowed some of the ammonia that was liberating from the bleach to get stuck so that her hair would lighten more. I don't know if she even knew that. But that's not the way we do this in a salon. This is a strong chemical. And those of us with a license who went to beauty school and who've studied color, and the thousands of people who've studied with me and other people like me, understand that. Then she says, I'm going to wash and dry my hair, and I'll be back to put on the toner. She then uses a liquid, highly alkaline professional toner, which she mixes again with high volume developer and applies. Now, frankly, on most people, they would be saying, if you did this in a salon, I cannot stand the pain, I'm going to go out of the chair, I'm burning. But she said, I'm just going to leave this on for 30 minutes and I'll be back. So you see her back with her wet hair, and she said, so I've blonded myself up, I never needed to go to a salon, and I'll show you tomorrow when I post what it looks like when I blew it dry. Did she come out a platinum blonde? Indeed she did. Did she do a decent application that someone must have coached her to do, or that she learned online? Yes. But the information is not as safe or complete as we in the beauty business who have been trained as professional hair colorists to do. But for goodness sakes, the more you take the hair away from its natural color, the more you can run into problems or into unexpected results. You're playing with chemicals, wonderful chemicals that were created for professionals to use. And I represent and advocate for every single salon professional in this business. I'm very proud of it, and I've spent most of my life doing color and teaching color, not only privately, but for some of the major manufacturers in the world. I'm proud of that. I'm now a part of something called Beauty Quest Group, which is wonderful. And one of the companies they own is Rusk. We've got a lot of great stuff in store for you.